So till now, about 30 countries, including India, have detected this new developing Omicron variant. And understandably, you will have some questions as well. Importantly, whether or not this variant could wreak the same havoc like the Delta. Now, according to our sources in the government, it appears that the government has a plan and is prepared for the worst case scenario. Also, some experts have said that because people have faced the Delta variant, they could probably have more immunity with regard to Omicron. Take a look at this report.
The Omicron variant of coronavirus is in India. But do not panic. The government is armed for a worst-case scenario. That's the double-barreled message to citizens from the government. You're wondering why the government advises against panic this time? There are reasons. First, the government says the Indian population has been exposed to the deadly Delta variant of coronavirus and has significant immunity. The Health Ministry has been specific on this count, saying that given the fast pace of vaccination in India and high exposure to Delta variant, as evidenced by high seropositivity, the severity of the disease is anticipated to be low. The Indian Council of Medical Research's last sero survey done to assess the level of antibodies in the Indian population says that 67% of India's population above the age of 6 has been exposed to COVID-19. The Indian Council of Medical Research surveyed 36,227 people across 21 states in June and July this year and found that 2 out of 3 has antibodies. But while there's cautious optimism on India's ability to perhaps handle Omicron better, the government is clear that scientific evidence is still evolving. Experts agree, but the permanent disclaimer when dealing with COVID, that caution can never leave the building.
A large number of people who are living in India have been vaccinated, and some others have been naturally infected, and a significant overlap has occurred between the two, which means that some people who've been naturally infected have also received vaccination, which leads to something called hybrid immunity. So if new variants spread in India, it will be mostly the unvaccinated people who are at greater risk.
We need not worry much about this Omicron right now. The reason is this virus is mild, as such the data shows. Second, we need to get a lot of information more about this Omicron, about the disease severity, as well as the drug efficacies and all.
India is also deriving solace from the fact that unlike the beginning of this year when the second wave of COVID had gripped the country and India's pace of vaccinations was rather sluggish, the situation is different now. The pace now has picked up.
घर घर दस्तक एक टीकाकरण अभियान देश में स्टेट के साथ मिलकर शुरू किया। इसी एफर्ट्स के चलते हमने देखा है कि पिछले एक माह में देश में फर्स्ट डोज का कवरेज करीब 5.9% के करीब बढ़ा है।
While uncertainty around Omicron continues on many fronts, the government says they are taking no chances and gearing up for the worst, given Omicron has 2 times the number of spike mutations than the Delta variant that continues to be the most dominant variant in the world. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani.